Hey guys, good morning. Happy Thursday. It is December 8th. I don't know why I looked at the date like I didn't know what day it was. It's my birthday. I'm 33. I cannot believe it. I'm so excited. The last 33 years, I thought about it this morning. I've agreed with myself that, they've all been amazing. For real, for real. Every last one of them. So I wanted to do a quick unboxing. I got to work today and I had a little goodie bag on my desk, so I wanted to do a quick unboxing with you ladies if I could bend your ear real quick. I won't hold you long. So the other day my attorney asked me what I wanted for my birthday, and so I named two things and this was one of the two. So I'm excited to see which. I don't know what this one is specifically because I named a couple things. So yeah, let's unbox it together. It is my first orange box, mustard, burnt orange, gold, however you want to call it. It's my first box with the it's not a blue bow, but first of many to come. Very excited. So I am going to take off the bow. Let me see what it smells like. Ooh, it smells like bow. Okay, so I have removed the bow. The box just has this blue tab here where I can pull. Let's see what I got. Comes out. It's in another dust bag. Well, it's in a dust bag. Ooh. Let's see what it smells like. It smells like dust bag. Okay. Ooh. Ooh. It's the wallet. It's the Clemence wallet with the ballerine pink that I wanted. It's the demier. I believe this is Eben. I'm not certain. But yes, I have my very, very, very first Louis Vuitton small leather good. And again, it has the pink on the inside. It has 1, 2, 3, 4, 8 slots, and either a money slide or a receipt slide, and a coin pouch in the middle. So yes, I'm very, very excited. Let me see what it smells like. It smells like wallet. It smells like a wallet. It's not nothing too exciting beyond a wallet, but I'm super duper excited. I'm super duper appreciative of said wallet. So that is it. Thank you for watching. I did my hair in these Bantu knots. I'm gonna take them down. My sister and I are going to a little lunch later on, so yeah, I will unloosen out my Bantu knots. I didn't have time to wash it. I could have washed it. I just knew it wouldn't have been dry today. So I just figured, you know what, let's not tackle that task today. And we'll wash it this weekend. So I'm gonna put this back back in the dust bag. I'm gonna keep it in there. But I'm probably gonna switch out. I'm flexing. I'm probably gonna switch out like right now. Right now. This is my little Steve Madden pouch that I purchased. I think probably from Ross. It has another set to go to it. So I'm gonna switch out my little Steve Madden pouch for the Louis. You feel me? Because we upgrading our whole life, But yeah, I'll come to you guys and talk to y'all later. Love you. Bye.